Movement in plants. When the leaves of touch-me-not plant are touched, the leaves droop down, but after some time the leaves get back to their original shape. The movement of a part of the plant in response to an external stimulus is called tropic movement. Phototropism is the movement of plant in response to the light. When light rays incident on a plant kept in a dark room, the plant begins to grow in the direction of the light. This movement is termed as phototropic movement. The part of the plant which shows movement towards the light source is called positively phototropic, while the part of the plant which does not show movement towards the light source is called negatively phototropic.